This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2550 DSLE is a Class CRV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Forest River is 29 feet 4 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 8, TV, water heater, Colorado Detector, awning, oven, stove top burner, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2550 DSLE is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.